Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. So today I want to share something very simple but powerful with you. It's a natural homeopathic remedy called Khalifa success. Many people called it the nerve tonic or even the brain food too. This medicine is prepared from the potassium phosphate, a natural mineral salt that is already present in our brain and nerve cells. So that's why it works so gently and effectively on our nervous system. Let me ask you something. Do you sometimes feel your mind is always running, like too many thoughts at the same time, or maybe you get nervous when you have to speak, or your confidence goes down? Sometimes even small problems feel so big, and your heart starts to panic. If yes, you are not alone. Some people cannot sleep at night because their mind does not stop thinking. Others say their mind feels empty like fog and they cannot just focus on anything. And many times stress in the mind also makes the body weak, causing headache, dizziness, or low energy. No activeness in your body. This is where Khalifa 6X helps. It calms the nerves, it makes the mind feel lighter and more positive. Slowly, it builds inner strength, better sleep, and fresh energy. And because it's natural, it's gentle, safe for long use with no side effects. Now I will tell you how to take it. The way to use it is simple. So simple. Children under the 15 years old, 2 small tablets 3 times a day. Adults 4 tablets 4 times a day. It works best when dissolved in the little warm water and take on an empty stomach about half an hour. And so remember, mental health is as important as physical health. Khalifa success made from natural potassium phosphate can be gentle support for your nerves and emotions. But always before starting any medicine, talk to a good homeopathic doctor for proper guidance. Take care of yourself and may Allah give you peace of mind. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon below so you can never miss any update.